Stop ignoring these gut signals that are wrecking your health. Welcome, dear friends of Living Well Daily. It's an honor to have you here because today, we're not just talking about digestion. We're diving into a hidden universe inside your body, one that could be the missing link to your mood, energy, immunity, and yes, even that stubborn brain fog or belly bloat. Imagine a world so intelligent, so intricate, that it quietly runs nearly every function of your health, and yet, most people don't even know it exists. That world is your gut microbiome. So if you've ever wondered why you feel off, why fatigue won't let go, or why your skin and stomach keep acting up, this video might just connect the dots. Today on Living Well Daily, we're about to unlock the hidden world inside you, the gut microbiome, a mysterious world that governs everything from your mood to your metabolism. It's the command center behind your energy, immune system, even the glow on your face. This journey isn't about fear, it's about discovery, about connecting the dots between how you feel and what's happening deep inside. So grab a cup of tea, get comfy. This might be the most important health story you've never heard. Chapter 1. Your gut, the silent supercomputer. Imagine your gut as a control room, walls lined with flickering screens, signals flying in every direction. It's not just digesting dinner, it's making executive decisions for your entire body. Trillions of tiny creatures live there, bacteria, fungi, and other microbes, each one playing a role. Some are like helpful engineers, others are more like troublemakers. Together, they form your gut microbiome, a community so complex that scientists call it your second brain. Just like a computer needs clean code to run smoothly, your gut needs balance. Feed it well, and it runs like a dream. Feed it junk, and you get crashes like brain fog, anxiety, or skin breakouts. I remember Anna, a patient who came in with fatigue and digestive issues. She thought it was just work stress. Turns out, her gut bacteria were completely out of balance, like a city run by the wrong mayor. Your gut isn't just involved in your health, it often decides it. Here's a truth bomb. 70% of your immune system is based in your gut. That's your personal army, folks, and if the terrain is wrecked, your defense weakens. Plus, your gut produces over 90% of your serotonin, the chemical that makes you feel calm, happy, and focused. So if your mood is swinging, or you feel drained for no reason, it might not be in your head. It could be in your gut. Chapter 2. 7 warning signs your gut is crying out for help. Your gut isn't subtle. When it's in distress, it sends out clues, soft ones at first, louder if ignored. 1. Persistent bloating. That balloon belly after meals? It's a red flag your gut bacteria can't keep up. 2. Constipation or diarrhea. Your poop is your body's daily report card. Messy or missing reports mean trouble. 3. Food sensitivities. Suddenly can't tolerate bread or dairy. Your gut lining may be inflamed and leaky. 4. Brain fog. Can't focus? Your gut's chemistry is likely out of whack. 5. Chronic fatigue. You sleep, but wake up exhausted? Poor nutrient absorption is often the silent culprit. 6. Skin flare-ups. Acne, eczema, or weird rashes. That's your gut inflammation waving through your pores. 7. Frequent sickness. Catching every cold in sight? Weak gut. Weak immunity. Your gut is leaving breadcrumbs. It's time to follow them home. Chapter 3. Step 1. Remove the invaders. Imagine trying to grow roses in a field of thorns. That's what healing your gut looks like when you're still eating foods that wreck it. Let's pull the weeds. Ultra-processed foods. They feed the wrong microbes and strip away your gut's defenders. Refined sugars. Sugar is the party fuel for bad bacteria. They thrive on it. Industrial seed oils. Found in packaged snacks and fast food, they inflame the gut lining like tiny blowtorches. Gluten and dairy, for many, they aren't evil, but for inflamed guts, they're like poking an open wound. Alcohol and caffeine in excess. These two love to irritate the gut and mess with sleep and healing. Start simple. Replace seed oils with olive oil. Swap soda for sparkling water. Add 1 real, whole food to every meal. Healing starts with what you don't eat. Chapter 4. Nourish with gut healing foods. Time to build a garden in your belly, a thriving, vibrant ecosystem full of color and life. These foods don't just feed you, they feed your microscopic allies. Fermented foods, yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut. These are like sending reinforcements to your gut army. Prebiotic-rich veggies, garlic, leeks, asparagus, bananas. These are the fertilizer that help good bacteria grow. Bone broth. Think of it as gut glue, sealing the cracks in your digestive walls. Leafy greens and root vegetables, from kale to carrots, these are your gut's daily multivitamin. Healthy fats, avocados, olive oil, wild salmon, nature's anti-inflammatory toolkit. Food is information. Every bite tells your gut what kind of bacteria to grow. The more variety you eat, the more diverse and resilient your inner world becomes. Chapter 5. Manage stress like your life depends on it, because it does. If food is fuel, stress is sabotage. Cortisol, your stress hormone, can burn holes in your gut lining if left unchecked. Chronic stress shrinks your microbial diversity, leaving your gut as defenseless as a castle without a moat. Here's your stress-fighting toolbox. Deep breathing. A few minutes of slow inhales and exhales soothes your vagus nerve. Movement. Walks, yoga, dance breaks in your kitchen, motion heals. Restorative sleep. 7 to 9 hours isn't lazy. It's your body's repair shift. Social connection. Laughter and hugs release oxytocin, the ultimate gut-friendly hormone. The gut doesn't just digest food, it digests life. Chapter 6. Probiotics and prebiotics, your dynamic duo. Let's talk teamwork. Probiotics are the beneficial bugs, the cleanup crew, the peacekeepers. Prebiotics are their lunch, fibers, and starches they love to munch. Together, they turn your gut into a thriving metropolis. Supplement smart. Start with a multi-strain probiotic, at least 10 billion CFUs. Eat foods like oats, apples, cooled potatoes. Include fermented foods daily, even a spoonful counts. Don't rush. Let your gut adjust gently. Chapter 7. Real-life gut transformation story. Mark was 42. Constantly tired, bloated, losing focus. He called it getting old. His doctor called it 3 prescriptions. Mark called me. We cleaned his diet, swapped sandwiches for salads, added fermented foods, daily 20-minute walks, journaling before bed. Nothing extreme, just intentional. 3 months in, he dropped 20 pounds. But more importantly, he got his energy back. His brain fog lifted. His skin stopped breaking out. That's the magic of consistency, not perfection. Final chapter. The takeaway. Listen to the whisper. Before we wrap up, let me ask you something personal. Have you ever felt like your body is trying to tell you something, but you just couldn't figure out what it was? Maybe it's that midday crash, the mysterious bloating, or that sense of something's off that won't go away. What if all those signals had one root cause and one solution? Your gut isn't shouting, it's whispering. A pimple, a sugar craving, a 3 p.m. energy crash. These are love notes from your body, not punishments. So what have we learned today? That healing your gut is not about restriction, it's about restoration. It's not about quick fixes, it's about deep care. Orange Circle. Eat with intention. Your food is the daily message you send to your cells. Orange Circle. Move your body. It keeps your digestion flowing like a gentle river. Orange Circle. Breathe slowly. Your nervous system speaks the same language as your gut. Orange Circle. Sleep deeply. Healing takes place in the quiet hours of the night. Orange Circle. Laugh often. Joy isn't just good for the soul, it's nourishment for your microbes too. Remember, your gut is your internal garden. And you, yes you, are the gardener. So water it with kindness. Pull the weeds of stress and poor habits, and feed it with vibrant, living foods. Because when your gut thrives, you thrive. If this video opened your eyes or helped you understand your health a little better, please consider subscribing to our channel, Living Well Daily. We've got more science-backed insights, practical wellness tips, and heart-centered stories coming your way every single week. Let's keep growing, healing, and living well together. Orange Heart. Until next time, keep listening, keep loving, and keep living well daily. Push pin subscribe to Living Well Daily for more health wisdom, backed by science, served with heart.